If you've ever spent too much time jumping between ScriptableObject Inspectors just to tweak a few values, this tool was built for you. SOSheet is a Unity editor tool that turns all your scriptable objects into a clean, fast spreadsheet right inside the Unity editor. Pick any scriptable object type and instantly see every asset laid out as rows and columns. Edit values inline, exactly like a spreadsheet. Every change goes through Unity's serialization system, so undo and redo work perfectly every time. Need to find something fast? Sort any column with a single click. Filter by value. Or just type in the search bar and watch the table narrow down in real time. Working with a lot of assets? Select multiple rows and use Batch Edit to set a field value across your entire selection at once. What used to take 20 minutes now takes 2 seconds. SOSheet speaks CSV natively. Export your table to a file, edit it in Excel or Google Sheets, then import it straight back. The tool matches rows by asset name, updates what already exists, and creates new assets for anything new. Perfect for data-heavy games where your design team works outside of Unity. Every field type is supported. Integers, floats, booleans, strings, enums, colors, vectors, object references, animation curves, nested serializable classes, and lists, all rendered with the right editor control, all editable, right in the table. Hover over an object reference cell, and a live asset preview pops up instantly. No need to ping the project window. The Columns button lets you show and hide individual columns so you can focus on what matters. Resize columns by dragging. Your layout, sort order, and scroll position are remembered across sessions. Everything is configurable from project settings under SOSheet. Toggle confirmation dialogs, choose your default CSV delimiter, and control exactly what gets persisted. And if your pipeline needs to go beyond the editor, SOSheet includes built-in REST sync. Configure an endpoint for any scriptable object type, then pull records from your server directly into Unity or push your current assets back out. Bearer token and API key authentication are both supported out of the box. SOSheet is editor only. Nothing is added to your build, zero runtime overhead. If you work with scriptable objects, this is the tool you've been waiting for. SOSheet by TwoGreenPigs, available now on the Unity Asset Store.